Equilibrium? Not anymore. I'm Sophie, this is Willa, and this is Curiosity Corner.
Today, we are going to be learning about equilibrium. We are also going to be making a car powered by a balloon. Here's Sophie to talk a little bit about what equilibrium is. Then, the car.
We're going to talk about air and the molecules of air. They are the black dots. The molecules of air always move around along these blue lines. So think of air as constantly in motion, always moving around. The molecules are trapped inside a balloon. They move all over the place along these blue lines. But I will always see that there are pairs of arrows that are going opposite directions, up, down, side to side, and diagonal. These opposite arrows cancel each other out to make 0. The balloon is opening. The pairs are splitting. These pair members are going out of the balloon. And these pair members are pushing on the front of the balloon. That gives us propulsion. Car! Now we'll show you what you will need for the car. Hot glue / super glue, light cardboard material, knitting needles without heads, pins, foam block, light wheels, balloons, markers, tape, and a big space with a smooth floor. First, we used markers to make little X's and dots for where the axles are going to go. Now, we have the little axles. This axle will work for the back wheels. Now we will do the front. Now we have the front wheel. You can hot glue a few needles together. It doesn't matter if it has these heads. This step is probably the most complicated yet, but I will give you a second to have a close look at this. Now we have the wheels, as you can see. It's rolling pretty well. So for the back wheels, we did a little hot glue dot here so that it won't rub against the foam here. And then to keep the wheels on, we did another little hot glue dot here. And then do it on the other side. And then for the front wheel, we already showed you how to do that needle thing. So we push it in to the foam. Make sure you find the exact center, like we did with this line. Maybe even use a ruler. We have this black cardboard part. This will be part of our engine, or what holds our engine. I'll be right back with the engine. Now that you have your balloon in this hole, you can pin it onto our car part. This balloon will be the engine. And here is the finished one. So, we attached the back to this part with all our little pins. And this is the finished one. So, now for the last step, the test.
Oops, it crashed.
So what happened is we were talking about putting tape on the car, and then I let go and then it ran into a table and then into a shelf and stuff, and then we screamed. And now we're gonna fix it. It takes a little bit of work, but it's all worth it when you get the ending results. It went 32.5 feet. I bet you can do better though. If you guys try at home, tell us how far yours went in the comments, and we will announce the winners in our next video. I hope you guys had fun learning about equilibrium and
The car. Bye! Keep learning!